Hey kid, what's wrong? Mr. Noodle got stuck in the tree. Well, lucky for you, I'm a great tree climber. Here kitty kitty, here key. What the? Mr. Point Noodle, you're okay. Thanks. And no problem. Mr. Point Noodle stays in his cage. But mommy, you said pets need exercise. Other pets, pets with legs. Why didn't you tell that poor boy that Mr. Noodle's a snake? He never asked. She kidnaps 27 people, but doesn't want ransom money, doesn't have a message, no demands, no pattern, nothing. 1. Her alias, Blue. 2. Her calling card, a single blueprint. 3. She wants us, me, to find her. 2 years, and that's all we have. Steve, we just got a letter. I wonder who it's from. Hey, watch it. 11:58. Slow down. Listen pal, all I know is Vesh give me $50 to give this phone to the first green striped shirt that orders vanilla. What do you want? That is your problem, Steve, you're too logical. Actions must be born from extreme motives in your mind. I know you're not insane, what you've pulled off, you can't be, so you must have a reason. Why kidnap people? Why risk so much for nothing? Because I can. But that doesn't make sense, you see. This is what I mean, Steve. That explanation just isn't good enough for your little logical brain. I was told that you're the best. I wanted a challenge. That's it. Nothing more. But you thoroughly disappointed me, and I've grown bored. They'll all be returned tomorrow, well fed and unharmed. Goodbye. Oh, before I go, there's a little something on your bag. You almost knocked that poor lady over. On our job application, it stated, great advancements in science justify great sacrifice. You marked, strongly agree. Yes, was that wrong? Oh no, Dr. Howard, in fact, I'm very happy you feel that way. I strongly agree as well. What is this? What did you just inject me with? $2.7 million of research, that's what, and for your sake, doctor, I sincerely hope it was worth the money. Deploying asset, Honeycrisp. Asset approaching subject. Is that a no? No, stop, why you're insane. It's working, we've never gotten this far. Move it closer. But sir. Closer, Mariah. Please, God. No. What went wrong? We were so close. How many more? Drive Terrence. Not now, Mariah. How many more doctors must perish before we start saving them? As many as it takes. No, John. No more. Nice to see you again, Dora, but I've got business to attend. What happened to you, Nico? How can you, of all people, do something like this? Haha. It's simple, really. I grew up. Learned the real money wasn't in saving them, but selling them. I've got a buyer in the States ready to pay 50 grand for this kitty alone. I make more in 1 year selling exotic pets than I ever did in conservation. Since when was it about the money? You loved animals. After everything you've done for them. Exactly. After everything I've done for them, I devoted my life to protecting animals. And how did they repay me? I'm letting you go this time, cousin. But interfere with my business again, and I swear I'll give you cicatrices even worse than mine. Cicatrices means scars in Spanish. Can you say cicatrices? Brutus, come. Brutus? 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 Wait, why am I looking here? Bruto. I see. You know, people say negativity is like a monster. Sniff, a monster? Yes, and the more you feed it, the more it grows. So like, if I said, I'm too stupid to get an A in chemistry class. I'm too stupid to get her in chemistry class. Whoa, cool. What? No, not cool. Negativity is a bad thing. Yeah, but having a giant pet monster isn't. My nose is too big and ugly. I'll never find love. People who watch anime are losers. My friends probably don't even like me. And for dessert, if anyone disagrees with my personal worldviews, they're lethal human trash. Awesome. I'm trying to teach you a lesson here. Who's a big cutie? You are. Yes, you are. Arg, he's not even real. He's just a metaphor. I'm gonna name him Herbert. You're ruining my wholesome analogy, you stupid jerk. You stupid jerk. Well, what's her name? Fifi. Cute name.